Hello everybody, this is the consolidated model that we brought in from different files. As we can see from the selection tree, there are different CAD files. They are all in DWG format. If you try to expand the tree, you can see there are different layers and there are different ways you can display this selection tree. The one that I show is compact, so it will not continue to expand. But if you want to use the standard, you can see you can continue to expand. There are different layers. The information has been carried over into Navisworks. Probably some of you guys may notice that when you convert your other model into Navisworks, the file is much smaller because Autodesk is purposefully designed that way so that you can strip a lot of other information that could be contained in your Revit file but would not necessarily be that useful in Navisworks. So that's why the file is much smaller. Or you can convert to the properties. So this is going to be much larger. I'm not going to show you guys because it will take some time to convert to that tree. But anyways, it's not too bad. And items, but it looks like every time it takes a lot of time to load the information. I'm just gonna cancel it because we don't use that very often. I may just go back to the standard. Although the main objective for this tutorial is for you guys to do a clash detection, but I still like to show you some basic functions in Navisworks so that you can get comfortable with the Navisworks. Alright, now let's first try to use the measuring tool in Navisworks. Click Review tab and there's a measure. For example, if we like to measure, let's first select the component. If you want to measure, then that when you zoom in, it will be always focused on that element. And I think that's a quick way to do some measurement. For example, this is the element I'm going to measure. So this is the point, and this is the end point. Let's say this one. It looks like the unit is in metric. If we would like to convert metric to imperial, just go to your icon of Navisworks and select options. Under options, probably some of those trees will be collapsed. You can expand it. Click interface and there's a display unit. There are different types of unit display. So for example, if we would like to just show the feet and inches and also to the fraction, then we hit OK. Now you can see this has been automatically converted to the feet, inch, and with a fraction. If we would like to cancel it, just click clear and everything should be fine. Now let's take a look at some other functions. Now I would like to switch this to compact. For example, we've got different displays in the model. It looks like they have different colors, and sometimes when you bring your model in, some of those colors might be similar, and you really want to differentiate some of those elements. What you can do is you can select one display, so that will get selected. For example, if we would like to select one display and we would like to change that display into a different color, you can right click the button on your mouse and select override item and override color. Then If we would like to change this to yellow, we can change, and now everything is back to kind of a yellowish color for the architectural part of the model. And we also can hide. So for example, we would like to hide this all the architectural elements. Right click and hit hide, so everything has been hidden. I think pretty much those are basic functions that can get you started with the Navisworks, and in the next video we are going to show you how to perform clash detection within Navisworks.